Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to see the latest BBS Unlimited wheels on the brand new BMW M2? Let me show you. All right, guys, I couldn't be more excited about this project today because I want to show off to you the brand new BBS Unlimited wheels. These are a game changer in the wheel industry, and I cannot wait to have them on my new BMW M2. Now, I'm back here at Bimtech today. They're going to be transferring the tires, my brand new tires, from my existing OEM wheels onto the new BBS wheels. Now, what's so cool and special about these? And the BBS Unlimiteds are really different. They are a huge change. Now, most wheels, when you go out to a manufacturer, you're like, well, I've got this type of car with this type of bolt pattern, and you have to get really specific for what you buy. And one set of wheels, you've got brand new wheels for your Corvette are not gonna fit on your BMW because of the way the bolt pattern sits. Now, BBS has gotten really smart with their new Unlimiteds. They have one common bolt pattern across the design. Now, how they make that fit is you buy essentially a hub that goes up against your wheel hub, and then the tire mounts to that. So basically, think spacers that your wheels bolt to. So what you want to do at that point is if you want to save your wheels, you're changing models, you're changing even manufacturers, you want to use those same wheels, all you have to do is take them off, get the correct hub for your car, and then install them, and they're going to work. So this is amazing. When I saw these, I couldn't wait to get them on my car. Now, the one other thing I couldn't resist. Now, if you're a BMW geek like me, the famous BMW E30 M3, so that's in the 1980s, was red with gold BBS wheels. I cannot wait to show off to you my new gold BBS wheels to go on my BMW M2, which looks a lot like a modern E30 M3. So this is really gonna be a lot of fun. I wanna show you the process today a little bit, transferring the tires, but we're also gonna show off how these new hubs work and all the technology behind it. Let's jump in and get started. All right, y'all, so here's the last we're gonna see of the OEM wheels, at least in this setup. So my goal today is actually, I'm just gonna be transferring the tires. These are brand new tires on the car. They only have about 500 miles on them. So the last thing I wanna do is spend money on new tires right now. But we've got it up in the air, and we're gonna take these off. We're gonna transfer the tires to the new wheels. And I really wanna show off this new hub system that BBS has for their Unlimited wheels. It is a really cool setup. And so once we get these off, I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so it's time to put the hub on. There's one thing you want to do first. So notice this is the front side. This is going to be the side that's facing your wheel because these are the holes for your lugs. On the back, you'll have the centering collar that you want to lock into place. Make sure that you put this on before you put the hub on, and that's going to help it hold to the center of the wheel right there. So I hold it with one hand, right? Now, the other thing is when you put the special bolts in here, you're not going to reuse your wheel lugs. You're going to reuse the bolts provided for the hub and the bolts provided for the wheels. When you put these in, they say to do it by hand and don't use an impact wrench so it's not too hard. You'll also torque them down to whatever your factory spec is. Now, in my case, that's 140 Newton meters. So you're going to want to put in that same star pattern that you would as if you were putting on your wheel. put in the bolts, put this on, torque it down to 140 Newton meters, and then we're gonna look to put the wheel on next. All right, y'all, so one last thing you wanna do before you put the wheel on. Now, there are these centering rings that you put on the back of the wheel as well. So, and you don't want to do this while the wheel is being balanced. You put this on after it's balanced. So go ahead and snap these down into place on your wheel. Then we're gonna put them up on the hubs. All right, y'all, so the wheel's on, as you can tell. Man, that looks so good. I'm so excited to have these on. They look so good. Brake calipers are highlighted even more. And then really, the final touch, you can get the auto leveling center hubcaps. Now, the other thing that's really cool is that the lugs that come with these wheels take a special adapter, all 5 of them. So, you know, you can get the locking wheel lugs. In this case, all 5 essentially are. This is not something that you can come up with a 17 millimeter and take these off really easily. Okay, so now you could always put these on beforehand, but then kind of that final touch, take them and snap them into place, just like that. Man, that looks so good. I cannot wait. All right, so I'm actually gonna do the other 4 now. I'll do all that off camera because it's just gonna be the same. And I'll show you what it looks like rolling off the rack. All right, guys, wrapping up. What a fantastic day here at Bimtech. This is just gonna completely transform my car. As you can tell, I went with the gold wheels to really bring out that E30 M3 vibe that I think that the new G87 has. Now, BBS has a ton of different colors. These new Unlimited wheels are incredibly cool technology. Make sure to check them out. The links for these wheels are in the video description below. If you're here in the Pacific Northwest, make sure to check out Bimtech. These guys are awesome. They now do wheels, as you can tell. So, hey, please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I would really appreciate it. And I have a ton of G87 content coming. I can't wait to bring it to you, and I'll see you on my next project.